Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And in this video we're going to talk about how to stop people from seeing you viewed their profile on TikTok. So let's get started. As a first step, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom. Then click here at the top right. Then choose Settings and Privacy. Next, Privacy. Good. Scroll down and choose this option here. And as you can see who viewed your profile in the past 30 days and which followers viewed your post within 7 days of the post date. If others have these settings turned on, they will also see that you viewed their profile or post. Anyway, turn off this option here. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.